movies for our publicists. Ayun, kahit pa paano meron tayong publicist sa Hollywood na siyang tumutulong sa atin. Yung ibang mga bansa, paggawa pa lang ng pelikula, may budget na sila for the Oscar campaign. Tayo po, wala. Merong nagsasabi na walang mangyayari sa mga pelikula na nanggagaling sa Pilipinas because technically they're not good. We've seen some of the competition, and hindi sa pagmamalaki, I really believe that our movie is technically better.
You're ready.
There have already been 2 people who are members of the ACPAS who have made a comment on our film, and they said that this is the best film from the Philippines in the recent years. So, hindi ko alam yung past years. In the recent years, ito na daw yung pinakamaganda so far. Siguro nakikita ko advantage ng septic tank is because it's a mixture of depth, may lalim siya, and at the same time, meron siyang commercial appeal and it's fun. Diba, Departures was also a satire, so it's feeling ko talaga may pag-asa. Sabi nga ni JM sa pelikula, fuck can bro, pang Oscars to. So, yun po, I won't talk anymore. We badly need your help. If you like the film, please write many good things about it. Araw-arawin nyo kung pwede hanggang January 26 kung saan i-announce yung 5 nominees. Kung ayaw nyo yung movie, huwag nyo lang isulat. Huwag na lang, quiet na lang. And on a personal note, ako po, hindi po ako nag-iilusyon na mananalo tayo sa Oscars with this movie. Ang dream lang, ayaw ko kung pareho ba tayo nang sinishare, ako ang dream ko lang personally, sana talaga makapasok tayo sa top 5, yung nominees. Why? Because this will now open the gates for future films coming from the Philippines. Mapapadali ng mapansin because sasabihin nila, oh, there's something to look out for pala in the Philippines. So, this is not something personal to us anymore. It's way beyond that. I really believe this is something that we should do as a united group because this is now for our country. Thank you.